Good morning. I have to kind of whisper because it's 5:45 in the morning, but I'm about to go to New York with my radio station for school. So my station manager, Natalie, is about to pick me up with my 2 exec staff co-workers and friends, Claire and Shania. And then we're driving to the airport and we're going to New York. So, more on this later.
And it always dies. New York bound.
Hey! The perils of this flight. We've been going in a race car circle for 45 minutes because a tire blew out on the track. And also, did I even mention that before this? We had a little bit of an uh-oh with my ticket. So basically for 2.5 hours, we were trying to get the name on my ticket changed because it wasn't right. Nobody could change it. So then we ended up just buying me a whole new ticket. So basically I'm flying with Daddy Warbucks. 6-7, Newark, New Jersey soon. New York City soon. Get me off this plane though, now.
There were several flights in the air at the time that were circling in the sky, and we were able to talk to those folks and hear what they had to say.
Pilot told us that we would be flying for probably an extra 45 minutes in a race car track pattern and an oval pattern. He just said that the tire blew out on the track and that they had to clear all the debris so that no other planes were damaged. How's everybody feeling? It's the Big Apple. Post Claire. Yes, Claire. Wow, they're so sassy. Hey Google, who is Nicholas Christopher? Hi. It's Thursday and I'm currently waiting for my mom's train to get into New York. And then I'm hanging out with my mom, which is kind of crazy because typically I don't see my mom from January to June when I'm in school, and now I'm just randomly seeing her on a Thursday in February. I'm really excited. It's cute. It's a little hat. Hi. I feel like today's vlogging has been very bad and very chaotic, but what they don't tell you about being with your mom is that it's horribly embarrassing to vlog. I don't know. I just didn't want to do it. Couldn't do it. But now I'm back at the hotel. My mom's in the lobby. She's charging her phone and chilling for a bit. But I needed to have some alone time and reset before I go back out and hit the city and go visit my friend Jester. Jester goes to NYU, so obviously I don't see him very often. I also it's not like I saw him very often before. He's Cohen's best friend from high school who spent the last month or so with us at the end of last year because we're on a quarter system and NYU's on a semester system. So Jester finished school the end of April and we finished school mid-June. So from the end of April to mid-June, we got to spend some time with Jester. And obviously I was smitten because now every time I'm in New York, I go see him. Yeah, so me and Jester are gonna hang out tonight, probably with Jester's friends, and then I'll go to sleep, and tomorrow we actually go to the conference.
Hey guys, I'm here in Chelsea, and This is where the famous chocolate Oreo cookie was invented. It's one of my favorite hidden spots, and I can't wait to take you around. I'm so excited. Let's go.
Hey vlog! I'm still in my jammy. Today is day 3 in New York, day 1 of the conference. We all overslept.
Not me.
Not Claire.
I didn't oversleep.
Not Claire. We all overslept and now we're going to part of the conference and then
2 panels.
2 panels. Oh my gosh, like what? IVS Awards. Hi guys, we're at Broadcast Brainstorm Music Director plus Station Strategy session. Our first group panel of the day. And we all have our badges. And let me show you the panel. And then next, they're leaving, but I'm gonna go to Lake Street Drive's panel.
I've been leaving there.
I actually just had the dumbest shit happen to me. I was walking through Central Park and I like veered off the main path a little bit and looked to my left, big ass statue. And I have like megalophobia or something, like I don't know, because I literally saw that statue, froze, panicked, and then physically ran. I physically ran out of Central Park. It's fine though, because it's about the time for me to start transitioning to the Broadway area to go see my good personal friend Jake Shane. This is the post Jake Shane feeling. Well, the actual post Jake Shane feeling happened on FaceTime with Hadley. I was on FaceTime with Hadley pre and post Jake Shane, but you guys, like, I love him. We didn't even really talk because it was so fucking crazy. Like, we really just took the selfie and I just said things to him. Things being, I love you, I'm so happy for you, I'm proud of you, etc. Very parasocial things. Had to get it off my chest regardless, but he's just so like cute. Like, he's so cute. Like, I just love him. Like, I just feel like we're friends and we're not, and I know we're not. I just wish we were. Like, I wish we could hang out socially. Talked all day. Okay, today is day 2 of the convention, the conference, and that means it's awards day. We went to 2 panels. Everybody, right? Everybody went to 2 panels?
Yeah.
What panel did you go to?
Bro, I met Blue Oyster Cult Drummer and Public Enemy.
Hey.
Yeah, I was in the back of that one. And
Okay,
then we
right.
just came from Building a Career in Brand.
With
Mike McVeigh.
Mike McVeigh. Yeah. And then Claire and I also went to
On that drama, the radio drama.
exactly, which was about like audio engineering and sound effects and whatnot, and like Audible and like audiobooks and audio stories. Now we're waiting for the awards, which Why am I nervous? I do really want to take home a trophy just because I want to feel like a sports team.
Yeah, dude, we gotta take pictures with it too.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, and we're really athletic. So.
Well, I just want to be like, I want us to like come back to campus and I wish everybody would be waiting for us while we have the trophy.
Yeah.
And then it's like the Glee scene where they throw the confetti instead of Slurpees. We're nominated for 5.
Best ticket giveaway, best commercial spot, best celebrity interview, best website, and then best video and radio studio with Lucy James.
Okay, so what's everybody's prediction? I'm going 2 out of 5. We're taking home 2 out of 5.
I hope minimum 2.
I think 2 out of 5.
I'm hoping for 3.
Okay.
I don't make bets.
So we'll see who's right, if any of us, and we'll see if I throw up.
Celebrity or artist interview. This one was really a lot of entries this year as well. And this one rising to the top, Millikan University, WJMU, Nick Offerman interview, loving that Nick Agent. Start with Best Station Contest. Our winner for 2026 are the fine folks of KXSU. Best website for radio this year goes to Seattle University. Right now, so cute!
Our website? Hi! If you can even hear me. After our enormous win, we've had an enormous loss. And another enormous win. We've had an enormous loss. Our flight's been canceled and we're stuck in New York. I'm not stuck here. I'm leaving on Tuesday at 5:30 p.m. But we're at dinner. So obviously Mama got a drink. Pink Pony Club. What'd you get?
I got the, what did I get? What is it?
Lady finger.
I got the lady finger.
Lady finger.
And Irish cream.
I got the purple haze all in my brain.
And we also just got cornbread for the table. We're at this place called Dolly's, so the treacherous are evil, but the drinks are strong.
Those are funny. Yeah, those are pretty good.
Cheers. And I'll see you when we figure out what the fuck we're about to do. Hey vlog. Okay, so update. So what did I tell you guys last night? I think I was tipsy. Okay, so last night, let me just break it down. So we won 2 IBS awards. Yay! We got best website and best station contest giveaway. Then we took our trophies out to Times Square and we started taking pictures. As we're taking pictures, Natalie goes, our flight's been canceled. What we learned is that a blizzard's hitting New York. We're in New York. And so our flight was canceled. Okay, so then I was like, okay, so what the fuck are we gonna do? And Natalie said, go to dinner. Okay. So at dinner, my flight got rebooked. Their flight eventually got rebooked. My flight was rebooked for like 7:30 on Tuesday. I moved it up a little bit. I moved it up like 2 hours, but that's as far as I can move it up. Dinner was fire, like, I don't know. And then we came back to the hotel, extended our stay here, and now it's snowing. Jania's here. She's just eating a little sandwich. And we had to get some sandwiches from the deli across the street just in case we got snowed in because they're expecting up to 24 inches of snow. What the fuck are we even talking about? They literally just canceled school across the city for the first time since 2019. It's the first snow day since 2019. Okay. And we're here experiencing it. I was gonna maybe go see Jester and have like a snowball fight, snow day vibe, but like now I'm scared because school's canceled. Like I'm scared. Jake Shane said he's having his 2:30 show and then the 6 p.m. show is canceled. So I'm like, okay, like what's the vibe right now? Like what? I'm starting to get really bad at filming, but like, guys, I wasn't even expecting for this vlog to be this long or to be in New York for this long, so like, you'll have to forgive me. Also, I like filmed me talking when I was out walking around earlier, but all of the audio is muffled, and you can also hear the music I was listening to through my headphones, so I'm not really sure how that happened. But basically today I just woke up and wanted to see the after effects of a blizzard in New York, so I went to Central Park and Washington Square Park, and it honestly wasn't that bad. Like, I don't think that we were getting, well, I don't think that we got as much snow as they were anticipating, so I think that's why it wasn't too bad, but I do think we'll be getting out of here tomorrow, thankfully. Ever since we got back, I've just been kind of laying around. I had to do some work for my job, and then I ate lunch. So that's my update. Sorry that you couldn't see me talking / hear me talking when I was outside.
I just tucked you in.